Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this cute little Christmas jumper. It goes on the Christmas tree and just hangs up. Looks so cute, and you can personalize it with their initial as well. So great for little gifts, and it is no sew. So we're going to be needing some yarn. I'm using this lovely plush yarn, and I'll pop all the links below for everything that I've used in this video. And I'll also be teaching you at the end how to make the cute little hangers to go inside. So you can glue these in as well if you want to make sure they don't move when they're on the Christmas tree or come undone. They're quite suitable for the jumper that we've made, so should be good. The yarn that I'm using is this lovely plush yarn, and I've got a 3mm hook. So usually you'd use a 5mm, so I've got down 2 hook sizes, unless you want to count the 0.5s, and then of course I've gone down a fair few sizes. I will link everything you need below in the description box, so make sure you check there for it as well. Also, for the little coat hanger, you're going to need jumbo paper clips, round nose pliers, and some wire cutters. I'm using this bit in here for mine. So we're going to start off by making a slip knot. Popping our hook in and pulling tight. We're then going to chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We're then going to put 1 single crochet in each stitch across. That should leave us with 8 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we've got 8 single crochet. We chain 9 because we want 1 to be our turning chain. So we will go into the second chain from the hook and work those single crochets down. We're then going to chain up 1, turn our work, and work 1 single crochet into each stitch across. So back down into that space, single crochet, and then 1 in each stitch across. So a total of 8 single crochets on this row. We're then just going to repeat that a total of 8 times, so we should have 8 rows of single crochet. So that's 2 rows of single crochet, and we're going to do that so we have a total of 8 rows, so a further 6 times. Turn our work, and 1 single crochet. When we've done row 8, we're going to chain 1, turn our work, put 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, so 1 and 2. Then we're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 single crochet into the last 2 stitches. 1 and 2, and that leaves the little hole for the hanger to go into. We're then going to chain 1, turn our work, put 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Then in this chain 4 space, we're going to put 4 single crochets, so go in to the center, 1, 2, 3, and 4, so around that chain. Then we're going to put 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. We're then going to chain 1, turn our work, and we're going to put 1 single crochet in each stitch across, so we should still have 8 single crochets here. and we're going to do that for a total of 7 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, chain 1 and turn, and keep doing that until you have a total of 7 rows here. Once you've completed that, you should have something that looks like this. So you've got a long panel with a little hole in the middle, which is where our little hanger is going to go. So we are now going to just fold that in half so that the hole is on one side and then you've got the gap at the other end. And we're going to continue working with our yarn in. We're going to chain 1, go into that same chain space, and we're going to grab the back as well. So we're going to be joining our 2 pieces together. So we go into the other side. So we're going through this side and this side. We're going to yarn over, bring that through, and do a slip stitch. And we're going to do that 4 times. So 1, go into the next row and catch the other side as well. Yarn over, pull through, and pull through the loop on your hook. That's 2 into the next and catching the other side as well. 3, and 1 more time in through this side, grab the other side, yarn over, pull through, and then we've got this little gap here, which is where we're going to put our arm. So this side is nice and sewn up with just slip stitches, chain 1, and we're going to work 8 single crochets evenly around this little opening here. So down into the same space, 1 single crochet, into the next, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then just here as well, 8. We're then going to slip stitch to the top of the first single crochet that we made, and then chain 1, and we're going to put 1 single crochet in each stitch around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can of course use a stitch marker if you prefer, and then slip stitch to join. We're going to repeat that row 3 more times, so we should have a total of 5 rows on the sleeve. Once you've finished your 5 rows, you're going to chain 1 and fasten off. And then you can weave in these little ends as well. I'm going to leave those all till the end though. You're then going to make a slip knot, pop our hook in, and we're going to go over to the other part where we haven't worked yet. So we've got the top here, the arm, this join, the bottom of the t-shirt or the jumper, and we're going to slip stitch into the bottom of here. So through both sides, and then we're going to join our yarn onto that side there. We're going to chain 1, And then we're going to do slip stitches up the side. So we've done 1 here and we did 4 on the other side. So we're going to do 4 on this side too. So into the next row and making sure we're grabbing both sides of the t-shirt or of the jumper, yarning over, pull through, slip stitch. And one more time, pull through. We're then going to chain up 1 and put 8 single crochets around this little gap here we have for the arm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then we're going to slip stitch the first that we made. Just like that. So we're going to repeat what we did on the other arm. We're going to do 5 rows of single crochet. So this is the first. We're going to do 4 more rows of single crochet, just 1 single crochet in each stitch around. So chain 1 and 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around, and this is row 2 of our sleeves. Once we've done this arm, we're going to fasten off, and now we're just going to weave in those ends. Once you've weaved in all the ends, you'll have your nice little t-shirt ready to rock and roll, and you can embroider any initial you'd like on here. I will leave a little video below for you which shows you how to embroider different letters for you. And let's get on to making the little coat hanger. So we're going to need our jumbo paper clips. As well as our round nose pliers and our wire cutters. So we're going to start by opening up our paper clip. So we have the open end facing upwards, and we're going to push that up. We're then going to pull this side up as well. And then we're going to grab our round nose pliers. We're going to grab basically where it meets. So we're going to grab just up here where we want the hook to start, and we're going to twist that upwards. And then we can pull this open a bit more as well. And then we can snip off this bit here. We're then going to pop our round nose pliers in, and we're going to turn this towards us to make a loop. You can see there, turn it towards us to make a little loop. You can then hook this side into that little loop you've made. And bear with me, I know it looks a little bit crazy at the moment, but it will work. Okay, so now we're going to bend this side, grab the neck of the coat hanger, and we're going to twist it backwards. Okay, so just grab it and twist back. And then we're going to round off this part here. So we bring it towards us and round it off. And you just keep rounding it until you get the shape that you want. And there you go, a cute little coat hanger, all ready to go into your little jumper. So we can pop that in. So we just slide in one side and down, and there we go, it's not going to come out there. And that is how you make your little Christmas jumper. And then this bit can just hang on to the little bristles on your tree. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, guys, if you have, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Drop me a comment and remember to share this with your crochet friends. See you in the next one. Bye for now.